U-Go Atlas Heavy-Duty Steel Transit Wheelchair, Unboxing and First Look. Let's open the box. The wheelchair arrives securely packed to help protect it during transport. We'll carefully remove everything from the box and check that all the parts are included. Inside you'll find the U-Go Atlas Transit Wheelchair, 2 quick-release footrests, user manual, any accessories supplied with your order. Now let's remove the packaging and have a closer look. The first thing you'll notice is how solid this wheelchair feels. It features a heavy-duty steel frame with a reinforced double cross-brace design, making it suitable for users who need extra strength and stability. To open the wheelchair, simply pull the side frames apart and press down on the center of the seat until it is fully open. Always make sure the seat is completely locked into position before using the wheelchair. Next, we'll fit the footrests. Each footrest slides into place and locks securely. They are quick release and height adjustable, allowing you to position them for the user's comfort. The calf straps provide additional lower leg support while seated. If you'd like to see a full demonstration, comfort review or folding guide, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the Mobility Shop YouTube channel, and turn on notifications so you never